Hello, thank you all for meeting with me today. Today we will be discussing and looking in depth at artificial intelligence. At Dargy & Gree, we have been searching for a solution for our video equipment options and improving communications not only with our customers, but internally as well as a company. Effective communication goes such a long way, especially for us as we pride ourselves with our brand in building and sustaining meaningful relationships. As with anything, there can be good and bad, and there's always that transition period where changes are more prevalent and noticed. Today, we'll be looking more in depth at AI or artificial intelligence and how this can impact our company in a positive manner while still identifying and be aware of any negative or ethical concerns. First, artificial intelligence is a highly capable and adaptive new technology that has the potential to streamline and improve many things for a business. As an example for reference, artificial intelligence was first used by Callaway Golf a couple years ago in the design process of their newest driver out. It was claimed to take nearly 30 years of human thought and processing to come up with the innovation ideas for their new product launch. Since the AI was being used solely for the design process in their team, their performance of the club and the results were some of the only main focal points, and it turned out fantastic as they took over as number one in their industry. Now, as other companies have sought to use and integrate AI within their arsenal to streamline things like decision making in their HR departments, there are some risks and ethical concerns to be aware of also. Starting with the positive, AI can vastly improve the processes for our company as we are still battling with old technology and can speed things up drastically with our processes. Starting with connectivity and managing portfolios for our clients, essentially all work processes can be improved. Now, looking at the costs, will the results and improvements in efficiencies justify this? There has also been ethical concerns with biases potentially in how AI uses facial recognition and things of this nature that could affect hiring practices and things during video calls with customers even. With 500 employees in our company, adding in AI gives us the opportunity to potentially expand and grow with the new innovation, but the growth must be met with increased clients and revenue. The last and potentially most important factor to consider here is if AI sacrifices or hurts our brand in any way, because sustaining these meaningful relationships we have worked so hard to develop with our clients is so vitally important. The transition and benefits must be thoroughly examined in order to see if this new technology truly benefits our company and answers our problem, while also considering the added expenses. Given the information provided, I do not believe AI is something we should write off, but it is as well as something that should be jumped right into. It should be directly compared with the next best option to AI to compare and contrast the benefits, but mainly the risks and ethical concerns provided. Ultimately, is through lasting relationships and customer service with management of portfolios that is our niche in the market. And as great as AI is in developing with adaptive technology, it still has to be the correct fit for our company. So to conclude, it should be taken in serious consideration, and I feel directly compared to the next best option for improving our video conferencing calls. Thank you for your time.